there you go. Our show was officially started. A round of applause for Flag Racing Group, Bandit, Weekend.
Hello everyone! Maayong hapon! Welcome to Cebu Ocean Park. I am Jennifer, your host for today. Now guys, here is an object which I will hide under one of these three silver cups. So, where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Which side? Okay, so let's put it right here. And now let's go with Simon Bird, goalie. Now goalie is our blue and gold macaw. Now guys, speaking goalie has the ability to find the hidden object. If you believe in Goldie, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie! Alright, go Goldie, find that hidden object for us. And she found it! And a round of applause for Sunny for Goldie! Our next featured birds are just like any married couples. Monogamous, meaning they'll be partners for a lifetime. My forever, huh?